How's it going, people? I know it's been a while since we made any videos. Been really busy with stuff. Oh man, it's good to be alive. Say hi, Ivan. Say hi to all the folks. So, the Ashman truck is still running beautifully. We have a car trailer finally. A couple $100 and we have one. Oh, if you guys recognize what this is, it's not unrecognizable anymore. It's in pieces now. We are scrapping Ivan's Subaru. Oh no. Alright, well, I'm gonna help this guy get this car on there. You guys can watch if you like. Crap that we do. Well, the car is on the trailer. Thanks to the Forester's help, almighty Forester. Shit's never gonna break down on us. So yeah, this car's gonna go away very, very soon. Completely stripped out. That was pretty successful. What do you say? Alright, so the shop is a little bit dirty right now, as you can kind of tell. We started putting out the ST, as you kind of already know. Bunch of stuff. We gotta continue cleaning, continue on the Mazda Speed, parting that out. So here actually is that Focus ST that we parted out, or part of it, as you can see right here. It's a beautiful side of it. Don't know what we're gonna use it for, but it's there. Chevy cargo van. If any of you guys remember this, the body's off of the frame, and here's the big monster. So what do you guys think? Should we throw this in the 350Z? Well, is that what we're gonna do, Ivan? Throw this in the 350Z, right? Of course we are, because we're morons. Why wouldn't we? So yeah, let us know in the comments below what you guys think we should do with it. Should we sell the 350 and get something else, or So we finally got a toolbox, which is nice. A little organization here. So yeah. So you guys remember, you just saw the Subaru. So we got another project car. It's gonna be a drift project car. And it's gonna make Ivan happy because it's dear to his heart.
Those parts that came off my Subaru didn't go to waste?
No, they did not. I'll show you a little bit of sneak peek. So right here, you can see some Subaru stuff, coilovers and whatnot. There's a beautiful motor right there. I'm not gonna tell you what it is exactly yet. You guys will find out in some future videos. So let's show you guys what the project car is. Well, So, here's a new rod, people. It's a 2001 Subaru 2.5 RS. Ivan, how does it make you feel?
I didn't realize it was 2001.
It is a 2001, yeah. 2001. A little bit of rust spots, as you can see, but that'll be fixed right up. So this is the project car. We're gonna turn it from all-wheel drive to rear-wheel drive. Up. Check this out, people. Guess about the mileage. 300,000. Hell yeah.
It's just still breaking in.
Still breaking in.
What a broken in motors.
You got the beautiful JDM taillights, which I love, on point. Oh fuck yeah, 2.5 RS. Start her up.
I think we may have a small issue here.
I think she's dead. Oh. Let's see if, yeah. She don't sound too healthy.
Bring her back to life. It's just probably a bad starter or something.
Yeah. Battery's dead or low, or who knows.
What else could it be, dude?
So
Couldn't figure it out.
could be like an animal trying to get out or something.
Yeah, that's what all that ruckus is all about.
So it's a squirrel in
The
there.
exhaust ports.
Yeah. I don't think she want to go. I think it's done for. I think she's done for. Let's just make sure and see if there's no holes in the
Good point there.
engine.
I did pop the hood,
So hopefully I got a. Oh, well, hi. It's done for, dude.
What do you say that, dude?
Hello. Yep. There, look. You can see it right. How's it going in there, buddy? So, dude, let's get a flash.
That's just a better breather, crankcase breather hole.
Definitely.
Oh.
Oh, hi.
Huh.
Oh, nice. Oh, there's
Well, someone forgot to put that cap on there.
there's a rod.
What's it doing in there?
I don't know, just saying hi. It's sad to, say hi. So this is another Subaru motor that's done. You know the funny thing is, I was talking to whatever that kid's name that came by. He said apparently these motors people pay a lot for them.
Huh?
Apparently these motors people pay a lot for them.
Yeah, they do.
Even
like
if it's bad.
It's like $1,900.
So no one's gonna pay anything for this now.
I don't think so either. When we get rid of the Forester, we'll.
Alright, sounds good. We can at least sell the
Something
heads.
weird about the SVT right there.
Oh, see that?
She rocking. The other Focus rocking those wheels. Looks
Yeah,
nice.
Dude, there's like a chunk missing out the one wheel for some reason.
Yeah, that was the original wheel that came from that accident.
Oh, really? Oh, that's
Roman
right, the
wondered why
accident.
the wheel always wobbled after what
Oh,
do you call it?
That didn't really pay
I was like, well, it could be
That's
the large amount of aluminum missing out of the wheel, but that's just my guess.
That's just my guess. So the plan for this is pull the motor out, clean up the engine bay, slap Ivan's stuff in there, and make it rear-wheel drive. Should be fun, right, Ivan?
Yeah, definitely will be.
So
Times to come.
you see us guys around, and I know the previous owner, I know you were watching, you definitely are. Sorry about the motor. It's days were coming, like, come on. But you will see this on the road again, drifting out there, hopefully this summer, but
Pushing the luck.
just pushing luck, yes, because there's a lot of things we have to do. We have to send out the wiring harness, we have to get the heads CNC'd. First we gotta find heads and all of the good stuff, so we'll see what happens. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. You guys have an awesome day. See ya. We're trying again here. Just like don't really want to stand close to it at all. She did spin for a little bit. She's a goner. I feel like there has more damage that has been done. Still tried. Yeah, starters. Dude, smoking, yo. Starter is smoking. Oh my gosh, yeah, that starter is hot as shit. You can see it there.
Just roasting a bit.
Smokes there.
Come on. Barely.
Weak. Weak.
Try to spin the belt, sir. Oh, she doesn't want to spin it all.
No, dude, look at the rod. It's like a pet. Like straight up, like I don't think the rod's broken. I think the piston.
It snapped off.
Yeah. So that's interesting.
How did the piston break off? Oh, cracked in half probably.
I really want to take this motor apart now. Just at least take the heads off and look at it. Nice.
Let that block off.
Interesting.
Some block off tape.
Right. That's, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but the rod's bent, but the piston is not there. So really interesting.
Yeah, I've never seen a piston crack in half like that.
Yeah, you would crack in half
It's
or
like
something.
Ford Power Stroke territory. Right there.
Maybe this is a
They were running diesel for a little while.
yeah.
They wanted to go EDM.
So, well, all right. Well, that's it.